Account for floor height changes early so doors and transitions remain functional and safe after ceramic tile installation. Start by measuring the total buildup of the new floor from the finished subfloor to the top of the tile, including underlayment and adhesive. Remove a threshold or use a straight edge to measure the exact height where tile will meet adjacent floors and verify door swing clearance by measuring beneath the existing doors. If clearance is less than 1/4 inch, allow for trimming or plan to raise adjacent surfaces. When planning, choose thinset and tile thickness that meet your transition needs, and consider uncoupling membranes or cement backer boards that add height. Factor mortar bed thickness when using a mud bed, which can add substantial height and require more aggressive adjustments. Use a consistent method to measure across the entire room to avoid uneven transitions and mark critical points at doorways and thresholds before setting tile. If you will need to trim doors, remove the door and cut the bottom evenly with a circular saw using a straight guide, and test fit it repeatedly against a scrap of tile and underlayment to preserve clearance. For transitions between different flooring types, install transition strips that accommodate the height difference and secure them to the subfloor, not to the tile, so they remain stable over time. Common mistakes include assuming the tile is the only added height, so people forget underlayment and mortar thickness, which causes insufficient door clearance. Pre-measure all layers and mock up the full assembly to confirm final height. Another issue is trimming doors after tile is laid, which can risk chipping tiles or creating uneven gaps. Instead, either trim the doors before final grouting or use removable transition profiles and leave room to adjust. A third problem is installing transitions anchored into tile rather than the subfloor, which can loosen as tile settles. Always fasten transition strips to the subfloor and use flexible adhesive or caulk between the tile edge and the profile to allow movement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who do tile and flooring work and helps contractors find jobs by listing projects and letting them offer estimates. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips, post project photos, and ask and answer questions with other homeowners and tradespeople.